Hello guys, big storm rolling through. The winds are gusting real hard now, and the rain is just coming down. Whoa, there's a big gust. Okay, it's blowing at me now. There's gotta be a God, I'm getting blown with rain. There's gotta be a big thunderstorm moving over us very soon. Sorry about that, guys. Now it's coming down hard. Is that thunder over there? The winds are going to the northeast right now. Oh God. Something's tearing over there. By the way, the winds are not coming from an actual thunderstorm, they're coming from the big low that's producing the thunderstorm. So the storms are not severe. Okay, yeah, there we go. I'm standing back. Vacuum's off. If it gets worse, I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, me again. Last time I was recording it was like 11:30. Now it's 1:01 p.m. and it's starting to get dark over there as a new sail starts to move in. And we could get some strong winds with this, so got weather radio here. Whoa, wind. And as you can see, it says child abduction emergency because I just got one of those like within the last 22 minutes. So yeah. Getting breezy again. Okay. Rain's starting to get strong. There we go. There's a good outflow. I'm gonna guess that this is the outflow from the next storm coming in. Dang. Yeah. It's hitting the tarp over there. So cold. Temperature just dropped like a few degrees in the last couple of minutes. The wind is messing with my weather radio signal. I wonder if we'll get another EAS. God, stop yelling. The wind chill is like 40 degrees right now. Oh. That's a train. Okay, now it's windy. I'm backing up. There's some rain. These are some good gusts, guys. Even though I'm like a couple of yards under cover, I'm still getting blasted by the wind and rain. It's getting lighter. That might have been it. Very windy outside still. You can see the trees out there moving a lot. I'm moving pretty fast too, but that's not noticeable. Quick zoom. Just because. Yeah, winds are still high, but the thunderstorm threat is over. We missed out on all the thunderstorms, even though there were like 8 lightning strikes reported to our west. So, yeah, if those never made it over here, they would have, but they came in the form of light rain, considering that the instability was only over the peninsula. So once the, once the showers moved out of the instability area, they weakened considerably. Let's plug this radio back in because somebody else unplugged it. But anyways. Well, camera's about to die, so I'm sorry if this film cuts off, but I'll fade it out from wherever it cuts off. Whoa, that's not good. Alright. Now we wait for more gales, I guess. Here comes another one. Yeah, I'm not sure there is much. Yep, there's Gus. Wow. Alright, well guys, even though we got a couple of short-lived gales, my camera is just about dead. So, I've got to stop it here. I'm going to cut it short for the rest of the storm. Unless tomorrow, if I can possibly recharge these batteries or just switch batteries out of one of my other radios up there. But anyways, guys, gotta go. See y'all. Well, I guess I should say today when I start to upload all this footage. I'll see you guys later. And this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off.